have it in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Ready to go?
Ready to go. Let's do it.
No. Dave has
Alright, ready? Let's go.
hit it out in Starbucks.
Alright, first stop's gonna be Eddie's World.
Got it.
And we're gonna stop at State Line after that.
Which one did you get? There's so many. Oh, wow, you got a lot.
Hey, you didn't clean your windshield. Great.
I think if you just put the defroster on, that's what it is.
It was like
Dude, this looks amazing. Star of the show here.
oh. in all the videos.
Good job.
Sema 2022.
Let's go, baby. What's going on, man? Yeah, I'm feeling
Cold out here. Oh. It was close though.
Where are we at, Anthony?
We are at Eddie's World.
Where are we going?
We are going to State Line next. We're gonna use the restroom, but I'm gonna gamble. I'm gonna lose all my money at State Line before I even.
What's after State Line? Where are we going?
We'll hit the big Sema. Probably for like, I don't know, like 6-7 hours. And
Yeah.
then all the fun begins.
Yes, sir. Everyone's packing away. It's cold out.
Easy out. Let's go gamble.
Already started?
I'm about to hit this real quick.
Already started?
Yep.
Is this the same one?
Yeah, it is.
Either you win first shot or you
They just hit it one.
Alright, Tom, show me what you got.
Oh boy.
Anything under 90?
We're gonna drive in.
Where are we at, Anthony?
I don't know. I'm just trying to find some food.
Vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. to my door, yeah. Everyone counting on me, drop the ball, yeah. Everything custom like I'm at the bottom, yeah, yeah. If you fuck with the finish, would you like to stay the sky? How could I make sense when I got millions on my mind? Coming with a bullshit, I just put it to the side. All the sense of
What up, Cole? Kormodiv family out here at the West Hall. We're gonna stop by and see some of the cool things to offer. Specifically, we're excited to head over to the Tech booth and see the F40, see the new wraps they have to reveal. So we'll catch you later, fam.
Took the Browns to the Super Bowl?
Groundhog Day, right?